Take command of the road in the 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck provides exceptional value. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.